Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa. The sun is currently beating down on me. The angle is a little awkward. I'm leaning in a little so you can actually see my face, but I hope this is good lighting. I haven't done any fall makeup yet, and it's October. Like, this is literally a crime. And I'm feeling all the fall feels currently, like fall tones. We're on this, even though here in Austin it's really hot still, but you know what? Fall is a state of mind. So today I wanted to create something easy and simple that you can do with whatever you have at home. I wanted to be warm, fuzzy, like everything that has to do with fall I wanted to put on my face. So I'm ready to just play with some makeup, create a fall look that we can all enjoy, and maybe give off some pumpkin spice vibes, right? Let's get into some fall makeup, shall we? I'm quickly just gonna like conceal the eye area a little bit because we're gonna be starting with the eyes, so don't want to miss anything. Wow, the sun is it's really bright. The star of the show is the Danessa Myricks Color Fix Waterproof Matte Liquid Pigment. This is in the shade Rustic, and it's literally just burnt orange color that I think is perfect for fall. It screams fall. And I'm gonna be doing just like a one shadow look. I'm gonna apply a little bit of the product in my hand, like just a tiny bit, and you might say like, wow, that's not enough. Trust me when I say this shit is potent, as you can see. Starting off with a little finger action here, just to lay it down, and then I can go in with the brush and go a little ham. Okay, there we go. I feel like I can intensify the color a little bit more, but I kind of like it like this. I get a wash of rustic orange, but it doesn't look super dramatic. I kind of like this. I know it's not like completely blended out. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of bronzer later to fix that, just to make it like blend seamlessly, but for now, I'm pretty into this, like this shade and this intensity. I like it. Let's recreate it on the other eye real quick. Okay, once I've got the eyeshadow to my desired intensity, yeah, I like it. This one likes to be a little more intense, but I think it's just because of the lighting. It's just a slight wash of color, but it still adds a little bit of that warmth that I'm looking for. So now I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Whiskey. You guys know I love this one. And I'm just gonna do like a waterline situation, like tight lining, just to make sure that there's a little bit of a separation between like the lid and my eye. I don't wanna look sickly at all. Orange doesn't really tend to do that, but just in case. And I'm gonna do kind of like a little faux wing just to like elongate the eyes, but that's just like super simple. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. And this one like doesn't have to be precise at all, like it can be super messy like mine. I just want to add that like illusion. I don't want it to be super set in stone. Okay, to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. You guys know I've been really enjoying this lately ever since I bought it, and it's super affordable, so I'm just gonna apply a few coats of this. So the lighting situation has drastically changed. I'm really sorry about that. I'm standing in front of a window. I can't really do much about that, but I'm just gonna go take up the smudges, the mascara smudges from my face, and then we can continue. Okay, so I had to change the angle a little bit because of the lighting. Hopefully this is better. I feel like it looks better and you can see the makeup a little bit better, right? This is a better angle, hopefully. Okay, now for the face, I just want my skin to look hydrated, dewy. I don't want it to look super crazy. I feel like this is a look that I can do when I want minimal skin coverage, but just for shits and gigs, today I'm gonna show you my Yummy Skin Tint. No, this is my Yummy Skin Serum Foundation, I'm sorry. In N7, 7N. This is from Danessa Myricks as well. And you guys know that since I started using this, I haven't really stopped. This is really good. It has great coverage, but it also looks amazing and natural on the skin. I just want to use a little bit of this, like a tiny bit of this, and like spread it around and have it give me coverage, but not be crazy. You know, I just wanted to add a little something to my face. I'm going in with a sponge just to make sure that everything is well blended. For concealer, I'm going back to the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in Bisque. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this to the rest of my under eye area. I'm just gonna set with my Kosas Cloud Set Powder in the shade Breezy. She suffered, okay? If you guys follow me on Instagram, I think I already told you that she suffered a few months ago, but I mean, only half of her. She's still going strong. And I'm gonna be setting lightly, like just enough so that my skin doesn't look super shiny. So for cheeks, now that our face is done, I want to keep it kind of monochrome, but not completely. Like I could totally just go in and use this as my blush. Like you can use it on your eyes, lips, and cheeks. So you could do like this all over and it would simplify everything. If you have a product like this and that's something you want to do, I think it does look really cool. But I don't want to go completely monochrome. I want to keep it slightly different. So I'm just gonna bronze up the skin with the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, one of my favorites, and I feel like I neglect it a lot, so I brought it with me to just simply use this. I'm just gonna warm the skin up. And I just recently saw something, like someone on Instagram do their bronzer like this, because you can see like your cheekbone better, like I'm gonna run the same bronzer along my eyes to like further blend out. Like this is a really easy way to just freaking blend out the shadow in a like easy way. You don't have to fuzz about it a lot. And then for blush, I'm using a new one. I've already started using it a little bit, but this is the About Face Cheek Peak in Cowgirl. Yeah, this is like a blush balm. So it is really soft. It's pretty like dewy. It is similar to the eyeshadow, but it's not completely the same. You see if it's blended out, it's a little bit more peachy and it kind of turns into a powder as you blend it into the skin. So you know what, let's just use it and I'm gonna, why do you keep falling? Oh my God, I'm sorry. I don't want you to fall, but I don't know why this is so unstable. As I was saying before you started falling, I hope you don't fall again, but this is kind of like a powdery blush once it sets down, so just gonna show you. And it isn't super intense right off the bat, which is something that I like, because then I can build it up as much as I want to. You could also apply this with your hands, with your fingers, but I always prefer a brush. Especially this one by Deck of Scarlet. I don't even know the name of it. I've talked about it before. I'm gonna leave it down below because this shit is unreal. It's so pretty. And as you can see, like it does take a little bit of building up, but you can start to see a hint of color. Let's do a little bit on the nose. I think that's enough for now. I'm not gonna do any highlighter because my skin will get dewier as the day goes by. So I'm just gonna use that as my highlighter because why not? One last step for the face, Freck XL. You guys know I love my Freck. I'm just gonna accentuate my moles and create new ones. Now let me just quickly do my brows. I'm using the NYX Thick It Stick It Thickening Brow Mascara in Espresso. I'm just gonna run this along the brows. I don't love filling in my brows, even though I think I need it right here. Like this brow, slightly problematic, but I just cannot be bothered. And I think this gives me like a good mix of setting and filling. Lastly, for the lips, I could again go super monochromatic with something like this. I'm not going to. I'm gonna go in with my Glossier Generation G in Cake, which I just love. The sun has left us again, but I'm just gonna line first with a Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in Endless Cacao. You guys know I love this one. It needs a sharpen badly. I don't have a sharpener with me, so we're just gonna pretend that it's fine. Let's go in with some beautiful Cake. Oh yeah, this is just the shade of my dreams. You would think that as a makeup artist I'd learn how to apply lipstick, but not here, not in this house. Okay guys, and once the lips are done, ideally you'll go in with a setting spray. I actually should go in with a setting spray because I'm going out later. I'm going to lunch, but I don't have one with me right now. So now is a step 2. Setting spray your face if you're going out and you want your makeup to last. And then after that, the look is complete. Let's check it out. I'm gonna just come right to you because I don't wanna do anything to the camera and make it fall, but here is the look. Are you feeling fall? I am definitely feeling fall. I think the eyes, they make the look. They're everything. They're very pumpkin. I could literally do like a green liner and have it be like a Halloween inspired look. I'm not a big Halloween makeup person, like I don't do a lot of those tutorials, but I feel like this could totally turn into that. I love the slight monochrome, like it's in the same tonal family, but it's not the exact same. I think it works still, but it isn't as overwhelming and it isn't super matchy. I'm living for this look. This is definitely a fall staple. Okay guys, so now that I've attempted to zhuzh up my hair and kind of failed, that concludes my first fall makeup video of the season. I mean, I know I came in kind of late, but I think it was worth it, no? What do you think? What do you think of the look? Is it something that you'd wear? You hate it? Do you love it? Let me know. If you enjoyed today's video and wish to see more like it, then please make sure to subscribe. I post videos every single week and I would love to have you back. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It lets me know that you guys vibe with the content and I can make more fall videos if that's what y'all want. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. I hope this was kind of like a warm, spicy fall hug. It's making me want to just drink a chai right now, like a chai latte. Oof. I'm definitely gonna get one later, but anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope I get to see you right here for my next video. I love you guys and I will see you soon. Bye. Mwah.